Hi, second graders. Once you have finished your PLP jobs, if you haven't colored them in as you've gone, you can go ahead and color them in. If you've done a Raz Kids today, color that in for Friday. Your Sunday mastery check, go ahead and color that in for Friday. And then read to self can be colored in. And work on writing can be colored in for today as well. If you want to go ahead and partner read to somebody again today or upload something on Seesaw, then you may. Oh, one more thing. This listening to Miss Larson reading about how to make a kite is also colored in if you completed that. So your PLP should look like this. If you are complete with your PLP and you have done your task this week, then you have earned your free Chromebook time for this week's language arts. So you may go ahead and do that now if your parents say it is okay. All right, I will see you next week on Monday.